guys, welcome back. I am going to be reacting to SUPERM on Ellen right now. I have already seen Jopping, of course. Like, I'm sorry, I just couldn't wait to watch that. But when they were on Ellen, they did like a talking segment, and then they also performed I Can't Stand the Rain and Jopping as well. So I'm really excited to see that. I am so happy for this group. All of these members have come such a long ways, and I'm just so thankful for them. You know, like, I am truly thankful for all of the hard work that they put in. So I'm really excited to see all of the different things that we didn't see in the music video, like different dance moves and formations and all of that stuff. I'm really excited to see Ten's dance break live, because you know in the music video they did like a slow-mo of it. So I'm excited to see it live. I'm just in general excited to see Ten. I feel like with this group, it's impossible to have a bias, because they're like everyone's biases from like different groups all just thrown into one. But I guess if I had to choose, I gotta go with 10. Like, there's just something about him, like, it just hits me right here. But Mark is definitely a bias wrecker, for sure, in this group. But like all of the rest, of course, like all of the rest are just beautiful humans. With Taemin specifically, like, I got into K-pop when I was going into 8th grade. And Taemin is only 2 years older than me. So, like, I feel like we grew up together, you know? Like, I just feel like we're like this. Like, so... Anyways, let me stop rambling. Let's just get into it. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Oh, I don't have any volume. What in the world? Oh, my God. Okay. Oh my gosh. I love Taeyoung's pants. Okay? Come on, Taemin, come through. Oh my gosh. That would be me if I was in the audience. I'd be like, okay, Baekhyun. Oh my gosh. Hi! Did you see that smile? Oh my gosh. Yes, Ted! Yes, Ted! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, like he was not just supposed to come through like that. What? Okay, I just need to take a breather, like, honestly. Sometimes, like, I am just totally quiet when I'm watching something, because I don't even, like, have words, just because it's just too much. It's just too much. Let me go back. Oh my god. Girl in the audience, she was getting it. Watch this. She was getting it. I knew that was 10. Got me going crazy. Oh my god. Okay, Mark. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh. Okay, Taemin. Taemin, wait. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yes, Taemin, yes. Take us there. Oh my gosh. Come on, Baekhyun. Sorry, just got a phone call in the middle of recording. No big deal, don't worry about what I'm doing. Anyways, they cut me off right in the middle of Baekhyun's part too. Like, stop. Like, that was just rude. Let me go back really quick. Yes. Oh, I love this pink hair on him too. It's so cute. Like, he is just so cute. Like, I can't. Yes. 10. Oh my gosh. Why is Taemin's shirt? It was not like that from the get-go, was it? Like, why is his shirt open like that? Like, what? Quit. I feel like I haven't seen Lucas that much. I feel bad now. I don't know if like I'm just like too focused on like everything else, but I feel like Lucas hasn't really been in the front too much. Taemin's shirt. Quit. Yes, Kai. Yes. I am here for that. I mean, obviously, like it was quick because they're doing 2 songs, but it's so like they didn't do the whole song. But yeah, I really like that. I absolutely love this song. Like, there's nothing better than riding at nighttime in your car listening to "I Can't Stand the Rain" by SUPERM. Like, can you think of a better picture? I can't. But I feel like they didn't really show Lucas all that much. I feel like everyone else got a decent amount of screen time, but Lucas, I don't know. Like, I saw him in the beginning, but I don't know. Maybe since they only did like half of the song, maybe he has more parts. But yeah, like, come on now. Like, show Lucas. Okay, so now I'm going to react to Jopping. I can't with this song. Like, literally, this... It like everyone is saying, it feels like a movie. Like, it legitimately does. And even if you're not watching the music video and you're only listening to the song, it sounds like a soundtrack to a movie. Like, it is no joke. I absolutely love this song. I've listened to it too many times probably by now. But yeah, let's get to it. So excited. Okay. I can't! I'm already so excited! Oh my gosh. Left to the right. Oh my gosh. Okay, Taeyoung, why did he come out like that? They are in it to win it. Come on, Taemin. Jopping. Okay. When Kai does the "you know how we get down," like, did anyone else notice in the music video how he was literally like so sexual with it? Like, it was too much. Like, he just did it again. It wasn't as crazy this time, but in the music video, like, if you haven't noticed that part, please go watch it. Like, you will be shook, seriously. How we get down, how we get down. 'Cause when we jumping, we jumping. He said we the flyest. Okay, Lucas, quick. I love their outfit. Yes, 10. Oh, I can't with 10. Okay. Yes, we know. Oh my. His cute. His jacket is so cute. I don't even care. Mike in the back. Mike in the back. I'm still laughing at Mark. He wasn't like doing anything funny, but okay, I'm sorry. Like when they did, never mind. Oh, they cut out. I mean, okay, I get it. Like they're doing 2 songs, so they can't do 2 full songs. But I really wanted to see Mark's part, man. They can. Okay. Oh, 10 in. Okay. Kai is not playing. Oh my gosh. Oh! He was feeling that, Big Hyun. He was feeling like he was not playing. Go back. Look at his face. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. And then we got 10. I need a break. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. I gotta go back because you know this part at the end when Luca. Yeah, let me go back. I gotta go back because I totally missed that shit. Lucas. Oh my gosh, I love him. We Jopping. God. I'm so sad. Like, I want to go to Ellen. Like, why was I not there? But yeah, that was everything that I expected it to be. I expect nothing but greatness from them, honestly, and they have delivered every single time. I'm sad because I wish they would have. So like I know when they perform 2 songs back to back, like one of them at least is like half of the song. So I thought like I Can't Stand the Rain would like be cut short and then they would do the full song of Jopping. So I'm a little disappointed that they didn't do the full song, but I mean I'm sure they were probably tired. Like it's fine, like that was great, like that was good enough. I just wanted to see Mark's part live, like because in the music video like he's getting it, so like I was really looking forward to seeing that live, but that's fine. I'll just watch another performance, no big deal. I'm seriously so proud of this group. I can only imagine what they're going to give us in the future. Like, this is what we started off with from them, and so I can't even imagine all of the plans that are in store for them in the future. But yeah, like I said, that was everything that I expected. Just pure greatness. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully see you guys in my next video. If you are wanting to request anything, feel free to like leave it in the comments or send me a message or like DM me on any of my socials, which I'll have down below. But yeah, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye.